I'm standing out in front of the iPhone Repair VB in Virginia Beach at 527 North Birdneck Road. You can go to our website, www.iphonerepairvb.com, or give us a call at 757-285-4085. And again, we do work on cell phones and tablets, Mac and PC software and hardware, liquid damage, advanced repairs, data recovery services available. And again, our number, 757-285-4085. We have a clearance section to our right. All kinds of accessories for the iPad, the iPhone, the smart wallet, the Defender rugged protection case, UAG, Urban Armor gear, earbuds, anything for you avid joggers. We have the Magic Mount for your windshield. And we have more cases on the left side of our store. iPhone 5S, iPhone 5S, 6 Plus, 7 or 8 iPhones. And now we are now selling devices for the Android or Apple. So if you're looking for an Apple tablet or an iPad or an Android tablet or a Apple iPhone or an Android phone, we do have most carriers. So come on in, and again, we do give 30-day warranty. A lot of those online services, once you buy it, that's it. But we offer a 30-day warranty on the device you buy here. So come on out and check out our devices we have in stock for most carriers, and it's for the Apple or Android. Thank you so much, and we look forward to seeing you, and give us a chance to earn your business.